Want to renovate your house but don't know where to start? There are thousands of renovation and interior design companies in Singapore. But finding the right one is not easy. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, let me introduce to you a very good lobang. Renopedia! Wait, there are more than 200 interior design companies and 50 household brand products on this platform. So you can definitely get what you want. Oh, so what is Renopedia? Renopedia is an online renovation platform for those that want to renovate their dream house and those that want to save time, save hassle, and don't want to do so much research. Whether it's HDB, BTO, or any apartment, small house, medium house, big house, or Lego house, they can also help you renovate until very beautiful. There are many choices for you, such as industrial, Scandinavian, modern, contemporary, Victorian, or you want to design like my house, also can. When you sign up Renopedia, you can get a free code from 5 to 8 different interior designers. They will contact you and offer you the best solution. Moshi Moshi. What? If you choose the interior designer from Renopedia, you can stand to win up to 50K from the lucky draw. Wow! You can doubt me, you can doubt yourself, but you cannot doubt Renopedia. What are you waiting for? Click the link below. Up to 50K is waiting for you. Here. 怎样？是不是比王雷好？还是会讲英文？百灵果。